So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create steps for your platform. We'll be doing some bending, some hole, some sheet metal, some gusset plates, another I-beam sweep. So please stick around to the end because there is a feature I'm going to show you at the end. And I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. I'm going to start with a basic sketch. What I'm going to do is say sketch, select the plane here, say sketch, sketch view. We're going to add references in the top there, not of the plate but of the I-beam. And then we are going to add another one right bottom here. Okay, and I'm going to add one at the front here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from that point to, I think we should just see what angle that is. I think we should go 30 degrees. So we're going to go 30 degrees there. Okay, so let's see how long this is. 2.6 exactly. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, we are going to say new part. We are going to say step side IPE. Okay, we're going to go turn that on. Sketch, sketch, sketch. Okay, we're going to go drawing view. We are going to put in center lines. Now we're going to draw a line. So select 2.6. Okay, 1, 3. Then we're going to say okay. Now we're going to say sweep. Yes, that's fine. Then we're going to say sketch, drawing view. Okay, palette, profiles, high profile. I'm going to click. I'm going to put it in the center. We're going to say 50. Okay, we're going to say okay. Close that. Zoom in here. We're going to go 8. 100. Sorry, I'll change this first. 10. Make this 100. And then make this 50. Okay. So, okay. Full I-beam. Okay. We say, okay. As you can see, take away my planes. And now we go back to our other model, assembly. We click on the sketch, edit definition. Now I'm going to draw another line. Okay. We're going to do this 100. Okay. We're going to say sketch, sketch, select. We're going to select this, Control C, So you push Control, then C to copy, and you say OK. Then we're going to go back to our other part. We're going to say Sketch. We're going to go that surface there, say Sketch, Sketch View. We're going to sketch references. One there, one there. Say close. We're going to say Control V. Okay. We are going to try and rotate this. It's going to be 30 degrees. Okay, our scale is going to be 1. We're going to right click on this arrow and drag it. Again, right click and drag it to the corner there. Okay, now left click, drag whole sketch. All those two line up. Okay. Okay, so once you've positioned this correctly, we're going to say okay. As you can see there, should be 100% the same angle as well. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to say okay on our sketch. We're going to say extrude. We are going to say remove material and symmetric. Okay. Now, as you see, it's cutting out that piece. We don't want it like that. We want it the other way. So I'm going to click on this area. Okay. And we're going to say okay. Now, there's the first side of your steps. Okay. Now, I'm just going to hide this. Okay. We're going to save. Say okay. Now we're going to go to our platform. We're going to hide that sketch as well. We're going to assemble. Step side IPE. Open. We are going to select this surface and this surface here. Okay. I'm going to say coincident. Okay, we are going to select this side and we are going to select that face. Also coincident. Okay. Say flip. Okay. Now we're going to say new constraint. We're going to right click until we get just that edge. That. Click. We're going to go back up here. We're going to look for not that one, but the surface of the RPE. And we're going to say, okay. Okay, so now we've got our one upright. So now what are we going to do? We're going to select this, select. We're going to pattern. We're going to say direction. We're going to click on here. We're going to go there. We're going to say flip. We're going to say 1050, as that is the distance. Okay. Oh, now again. Oops. It's 1 meter, not 1 meter and 50. So edit definition. 1, 1, 2, 3. Say okay. Say okay. And there you have it. Okay. Now, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say sketch. Then we're going to click on this surface here. Say sketch. Sketch view. Okay, now need to put in a reference. That one there. We're going to put in a center line. And we're going to make this distance here about 250. Okay. And then we are going to make a sketch here. So I'm gonna go up like this, down to here, across to there, and down again. Okay. Let's say select and make that thing a little bit shorter. So let's do 200 here. Okay. And we're gonna do, yeah, that should be okay. We're gonna go a little bit shorter this side, say 350. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go 50. And yeah, we're gonna go 50. Okay, so now we're gonna again highlight this. Say Control C. We're gonna say I'm happy. Okay, we're gonna go new part again. We're gonna go step. Say okay. Say sketch. Sketch. Center lines. And say Control V. And obviously I'm dragging this on my crusher, so I'm gonna drag it to the center. Yeah, we're gonna say scale 1. Enter. We're gonna say okay. And there's our sketch. Okay, now we're gonna say I'm happy with that. We're gonna say extrude. Okay, we're gonna go solid. We're gonna go 900. Okay. We are gonna go thickness of 8. We're gonna say symmetrical. And we're gonna say okay. Okay, now we're gonna go options. Will be sheet metal, driving surface. Click on the top surface. Say okay. And now in sheet metal. Now all we have to do is go conversions, edge bend, that one, click there and click there, and we say okay. Say okay. I'm gonna add some rounds here. Model round. Add that one there. One there. One there. And one there. If you guys are not sure how to put rounds in or how to do the sheet metal conversion, please go check my beginners tutorial playlist. All those are in there. So we're gonna go say 10 here. I'm gonna say okay. Now we also turn off our planes. And we're gonna add in some holes. I'm gonna say sketch define. Then click on top there. We're gonna say sketch, sketch view. I want to put in a few holes here. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 60. Then from that one, 70. That one, from that one to that one, 70. From that one to that one, 70. Okay. Let's go a little bit more, yeah. All that 80. Man. Okay. Now we're going to say, okay. As you can see, there's a cutout. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, to the cutout. We're going to say model. We're going to say pattern. We're going to say, just make sure your features highlighted before you say pattern. So see the extended cut that's highlighted. It was like that, and I did see it won't even give me pattern. So just select that one, then say pattern. Then we go direction. You can click on the side here. We flip it the other way. We can do say 100 increments, and that will be 8, I believe. 8 or 9. Yeah, it'll be no, it's 9. So okay, that okay. So there's our stairs. We can do an additional set of holes. So what we can do is we can say sheet metal, so extruded cut. Go on there. We can say sketch view again, same like we just did. The only difference is I'm gonna add a hole. Yeah, we're gonna add references to this hole. We are going to say close. We are gonna select from here to here. Maybe 35. We are going to say this hole must be the same size as that hole. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say equal to that one, that one. Okay. Now we're gonna say 50. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this one slightly different. We're gonna say okay. I'm now going to say pattern, model, pattern. No, not that way, not yet. We're gonna say direction, this one, flip the direction. We're gonna say 100, 70, and we're gonna say it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 3 of. Okay. Okay, now again, select your pattern, select pattern. Now you say, oh, I'm just gonna remove that one. Now we say, okay. And there you have your step plate. Okay. This is your kick plate. And that's the front kick plate. So I'm gonna say, okay, we're happy with this. Save. Say okay. Now we're gonna go assembly. We're going to hide this. Well, actually, let's just check first. So 200 was our size. Okay. So now we can insert our step plate. So open. Sorry, guys. The step, not the step plate. Step plate's the one on top there. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to say this one and this one. Distance is 200. Your distance here, new constraint, that one. Turn, select this face here. So incident, yeah, that's gone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select this face here. And we are going to go according to this face here. And we're going to drag this there. Let's just go down to the front. Okay. So I'm just using this as my reference. Okay. Now we're gonna say okay. Yeah, I'm gonna say okay. And we're gonna click on the sketch. We're gonna say hide. Okay, there's our first step. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is select that part, say pattern. We're gonna say direction. But now, before I can say direction, I have to put my planes back on. Then we can click here. Okay, we are gonna say increments of what was it? 50. Okay, and we're probably gonna have 10 steps. No, too many. 7 steps. Okay. Let's say okay. And hide up the things. Okay, so our increments are a little bit out. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna say header definition. We're gonna say 400. And we say okay. Okay, now we've got one too many there. So all we're going to do now is we're going to say again edit definition. We can just either select that one or we can just change it to 6. And we can say okay. And there are your steps. Okay, now bear in mind these are welded over here. So what we're going to try and do here is we're going to say save this now. Okay, those are your stairs. So here you've got your platform with your steps. Okay. That's why we've got a problem here. Okay, our plate's not the right length. So what we're gonna do is let's just go analysis, measure. We're gonna say click there. We're gonna say control, click there. 950. Say okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go open our plate here. Step, we're gonna say open. Okay, now we're gonna go extrude, hit a definition. We're gonna go 950. I thought something looked a bit fishy there. Say okay. Check our holes. Holes should be perfectly lined up. Okay. So save. Okay. Save. Close. Save. Close. We're going to go model. We're going to go regenerate. And we are going to relook at our steps. And voila. Now it is correct. Okay. So these will be welded on. Um, so you can either have them like that and just weld them on to these flanges here. Or what we can do is we can go back to our model now, say open. We can change this, this extrude. We can say 9 950 minus 16. Say okay. 934. Say okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go on the side here and we're going to say sketch. Okay. Sketch. Sketch view. And add references. So we go there and to this one. Okay, I'm going to add center lines. There, there, add another reference here, this one, this one, this one. Close. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to do a sketch from there. Let's do to there. To there. To there. To there. And what I'm going to do is go there. Then I'm going to go yeah, like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is this, sorry, actually this one, this line is supposed to be, there, that's the one. So I'm just going to delete this one, delete, delete. Okay, I'm going to add a line there. Okay, we are going to add our fillet, this one here. So we're going to make this I'm going to say select, I'm going to make this 10, and say 15. Okay, so like that. This side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say fillet, go there, there. This one, we can also go 15, so select 15. Ooh. Okay, maybe not. Let's go 8. Oh, really no? Okay, you know what? Let's just leave that one like that. Okay, we're going to highlight. We're going to say Control C. We're going to say okay. And we're going to hide this and say new part step gusset plate. Say okay. Gonna go drawing. And go sketch, sketch, center lines. And we're gonna go Control V. We're gonna put that in the center again, just like that. We are gonna turn this. This is parallel. Okay. Like that. And we're gonna say okay. So okay, we say okay. Now we're gonna say extrude. We're gonna say 8 millimeters. We're gonna say symmetric here. And we say okay. Okay. Now we're gonna say save. Okay. We're gonna back to our assembly. Hide these. We're gonna say assemble. Step gusset plate. Say open. We are gonna select this side. And we're gonna go to that step there. To that surface. Okay. We're gonna select we're gonna select this plane. We're gonna select the front. There we are. Say incident. Okay. And then we're gonna say that plane there. Yeah, this time, yeah. No. Remove that line there. We're gonna line up with that line there. Ah, man. Now the scale is wrong, but it's fine. All we have to do is say, okay, we go back to our part, we go say, open, we measure. So from analysis, we go measure, control, measure, measure. Distance is 219. We need it to be 350, if I'm not mistaken. Let's double check. We need it to be analysis, measure from there to control there, 358. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this plate. It is now okay. So we're going to change it. Sketch view. I'm going to go select, delete that one. We're going to say sketch reference. So close. So control V. So here's a little note for you guys. Double check your scale before you say you're happy with something. Okay. Yeah. One. Say okay. Now say okay. Okay. Save. Now we're going to go back to our assembly. Now this is going to have an issue here. We're going to say edit definition. We're going to go yeah, that one. And then we're going to say that surface there is, well, that point is that point there. See, now, there, you've got your plate. Okay, say okay, hide all this. We're going to add another one on the other side. So we're going to say model, assemble, gusset plates open. We're going to select that face, and we're going to select that face. Coincident, we're going to say this face, and we're going to say this face, coincident, and then we are going to go to new constraint, that one, and then select, if you can see it there, that line there, and we say okay. Okay, now all this is going to do, it's going to give you a little bit more meat to weld. So now you can weld that weld there, you can weld a full weld there, and you can weld quite a decent weld there, not just that 8mm lip that you've got. Okay, so that's the one. Now, but now, obviously, we're not done yet. So we go on step gusset plate. We say pattern. We'll follow our pattern. We say, okay, same with the other one. Pattern. Say okay. And there it is, as you can see. So um, we've now got our steps. It's got its sides. And that was quite simple, wasn't it? Took a little bit longer than I thought, but it's simple, actually. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed this. In the next video, I'll be doing the railings for this exact platform. So subscribe so you guys can see the next video. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, quick favor. If this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.